Papa.
Mad damn!
Your legs. You're not thinking. Mama, this is your part. Come on, stand up, stand up, stand up. That's it. Come on. Come on, Mama. Come on.
Hey, look it. You see me?
Come on, sit down.
Oh. This is his part.
Come on, stand up, Papa.
Come on. Yeah.
I see you like that part, the whole place.
Oh, my bell.
The bitch who's fucking Iron Man, that's IRONMAN, and it's fucking in the mouth.
Is Papa's gonna do anything else?
That's your favorite movie. Look at that's your favorite movie. That's Luca's favorite movie, right?
So I wondered, would Wolf really get jealous if he knew we were fucking that guy with the big utility belt?
Well, this is my part. Insane. And you want house too. You want house. Papa. Oh, no.
Ugo, that's your girlfriend.
Papa had a girlfriend.
Oh, hey.
Who's it? And two with the crazy hairdo.
You hungry?
No. Hey, Mom.
You hungry?
No.
Papa, you hungry? You want up?
I'm
Wonderful. You ate rice.